Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the demanding maritime environment where wire ropes are the backbone of lifting and mooring operations, the difference between a safe workday and a catastrophic accident lies in the rigor of inspection. Because wire ropes are subject to constant tension, saltwater corrosion, and mechanical wear, their integrity must be verified through a combination of detailed visual inspections and advanced non-destructive testing. A visual inspection is the first line of defense and should be performed regularly by the deck crew and officers. This process involves a slow and careful walk down of the entire length of the rope, looking for obvious signs of distress, such as kinking, crushing, or bird caging, where the outer strands have been forced out of position. Inspectors look for broken wires, which are often referred to as fish hooks because they can snag a gloved hand. The number and distribution of these broken wires are critical indicators of the rope's remaining strength, and international standards provide specific limits on how many broken wires are allowed before the rope must be condemned. Corrosion is another major focus, as the harsh marine atmosphere can eat away at the protective galvanization, leading to pitting and a loss of cross-sectional area. A well-maintained rope should be properly lubricated, and any sign of dry internal strands is a red flag. The diameter of the rope must also be measured using a caliper at various points to check for localized thinning or stretching, which indicates internal core failure or excessive permanent elongation. However, visual inspection has its limits, as it cannot see the hidden damage deep inside the core or within the inner strands. This is where non-destructive testing, or NDT, comes into play. On modern ships and during major surveys, electromagnetic testing is a common NDT method used to scan the wire rope. This involves passing the rope through a specialized sensor head that creates a magnetic field. Any internal broken wires, corrosion, or loss of metallic area causes a disturbance in the field, which is recorded and analyzed by a computer. This allows the surveyor to see the condition of the rope from the inside out without having to take it apart. Other NDT methods might include ultrasonic testing or radiographic checks for end terminations and sockets to ensure the connection points are secure. Documentation is a vital part of the process, where every inspection result is recorded in the ship's cargo gear record book or the safety management system logs. By combining the daily vigilance of visual checks with the scientific precision of NDT, the maritime industry ensures that cranes, davits, and winches remain safe for operation. This proactive approach to maintenance prevents sudden rope failure, protects the lives of the crew, and ensures that the vessel remains compliant with international safety regulations. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.